Today, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to host your own website or project on Netlify. If you're new here, my name's Leanne and I love coffee, code and cats, and I made this channel to show the world that CSS is actually fun. So if this is the kind of thing you're into and you fancy hitting like and or subscribe, that would really make my day. No, it really would. Anyway, let's get into it. So I have created this awesome cat blog to show off pictures of my cat Pumpkin. And it also has this rain and rainbow toggle effect. And there's a video on how to do this on my channel. I'll link to it in a card. But at the moment, this is only available locally. I want to put it out there on the internet so I can show everyone how awesome Pumpkin is. So to do that, I need a GitHub account, which luckily I set up earlier, well, much earlier actually, in 2017. And I have already connected my GitHub to Netlify. If you haven't done that yet, don't worry, it's super simple. Just head over to Netlify and hit sign up, and then if you're logged into GitHub, you can just connect really easily. So next, I need to create a repo and push the blog to GitHub. So to do that, we head over to repositories, hit new, and then give it a name, and I'll call it Awesome Cats. Awesome Cats is available. Great news. So create repository and then hit this to copy the URL. So just to show you where I'm storing the blog locally, in my documents I have a folder called code, and then in that folder you will find Awesome Cats. So I will now navigate to that in the command line. I will first figure out where I currently am with pwd, which is print working directory. And you can see I'm in users, Leanne. And then with ls, I can see which folders and files I'm able to navigate to, and I need documents. So to do that, I do cd, doc, tab, it autofills, hit enter, ls again. Now I can navigate to these four options, and I need code. So I'll do cd, C, it autofills, ls, and then I want to go to the only option, Awesome Cats. And then just to see what files are available there, you'll see they all match up. So now I'm going to push to the repo. First off, I'm going to check the status as it currently is. So git status fatal, not a git repository or any of the parent directories. This is actually good because it means I haven't already set it up somehow and forgotten about it. So to get it set up, we do git init and then git remote add origin and then paste this URL that we copied earlier and then git add space full stop, which means that we are adding all of the folders and files here. And then git commit first commit meow as a message describing what our commit is doing. And finally, git push. Well, now we actually need this long command here, but that's quite long and complicated to remember and type. So I just do git push and then it tells me, meh, no, you need to use this, and then I can copy and paste. And away we go. That is what we want to see. So now, when I head over to my Awesome Cats repo, folders have appeared. Great news. Okay, so now head over to Netlify and log in, and then you'll see an option, new site from Git. Hit that. And then when you choose GitHub, you will see a list of available repos. And we want Awesome Cats. Deploy site. And now it has deployed. I am so excited. No, I do not want to translate from Latin, but thanks for the offer. Now you will see that the automatically generated URL is not exactly catchy, but you can change it. So change site name, awesome cats.netlify.app, save. And now when you hit that URL, you will see we are live. And just to prove to you that we really are live, I will head over to Firefox and load my site there. And there we have it. And I'll also link to this site below, just for the fun of it. I hope this was enjoyable for you. Let me know if you run into any problems and I'll do my best to help. And if you do launch your own site or project on Netlify, send them my way. I would love to check them out. And once again, if you do fancy subscribing, that would really make my day. And you can also pop over and say hi on my Twitter page. I tweet about code stuff, cat pics, and random polls. Currently asking for people's thoughts on peacocks. And looks like 100% of people are starstruck by them. How awesome is that? Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.